Hi guys, welcome to another Swift Drive video. Today I'm going to unbox a armrest that I want to install in my Suzuki Swift. That is from 2008. It's a 1.5. This armrest should fit all the Suzuki Swifts from the same generation, which is between 2005 and 2010. I think it even fits the SX4 as well, from the same generation. Let's have a look. In all honesty, I cut this open on four hands to avoid a long, dragged, uninteresting video. The reason I wanted an armrest is on longer trips I started to miss it a little bit. That's mainly because the Swift is not my daily driven car anymore, and my daily has an armrest in the middle, which is really nice. As you might know, the Suzuki Swift is not the most luxurious car on the inside, and this armrest was quite cheap, so I don't expect the most luxurious or highest quality materials to be found, which is not a problem. So let's have a look to what's in the box. A couple of plastic pieces, and here we have the armrest itself, which is basic, but I like it. I went for this model because it's because of the height, so it's not too high. My Suzuki Swift is not on the stock seats anymore. There are Recaros in there, which are on extra low seat rails, which means my seating position is a little bit lower than stock. So it shouldn't be too high, which is going to be very uncomfortable. Also, the width of the armrest shouldn't be too wide because the seats are quite close to each other. So hopefully these are going to, or this one is going to fit in between. Yeah, so there's this fabric on top, quite soft. You can open it. There is some space here to move your stuff. And also the reason I went for this one is that you can place it like this, so you are free to get to the handbrake. And I think, yeah, this is a button on the front, and when you push it you can move it backwards. So everything that is in here is going to fall down when you do it. So keep that in mind. Yeah, so let's see what else is in this box. There's a couple of screws in here. So I see screws, which are all the same, and a big guy over here. Okay, so let's see how this one is mounted. This part is going to fit into the handbrake tunnel. On the rear side you have a place now to put your the ashtray that you can move around in the car, and you can see that this has a similar shape, and this is what you put in the handbrake tunnel to mount the armrest. So this fits into each other, that makes sense. What is this thing? Wait, I think this is something like this. Yeah, probably. So this is the full construction, I think. There's 4 holes in here. So I think this one needs to be screwed in your hand tunnel, your handbrake tunnel, with these screws. Yeah, that is it. And this is probably where this big screw needs to be placed. Yeah, I think I see what needs to be done. There's no manual in this box, but it's not really needed. So this is what you put in the back. You drill 4 holes, or you move these self taping screws in there. I think you should drill a small hole first to avoid cracking of the plastic handbrake tunnel. And afterwards you put this one up, another 4 screws in there, and then you cover them up with these plastic rubbery little pieces like this. And then it's going to be all tidy. Okay, yeah, so no experience on how this is going to improve the joy while driving the Swift, but I will make a video about that once it's installed. It feels a bit plasticky, but that matches the interior actually. It does feel sturdy, so there's not a lot of moving parts, and this is, I think that's nice. So for the very little money that I paid for this, I think it's going to be okay. So there you have it. Hope to see you in the next video. If you find this video to be useful, please like and subscribe, and hope to see you guys soon. Bye.